Welcome to Learners Math TV. In this video, we will define the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Identify these angles in real-life scenarios and solve problems involving angle of elevation and angle of depression using trigonometric ratios. Unahin natin ang ibig sabihin ng angle of elevation. Sabi, the angle of elevation is the angle between a horizontal line and the line of sight to an object that is higher. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Okay, kung nandito ka at merong eroplano ka na nakita sa taas, etong line of sight na horizontal, yan, at yung line of sight, pag ikaw ay tumingala at tinignan mo yung eroplanong nasa taas, in between that horizontal line of sight and the line of sight nung ikaw ay tumingala, sa gitna niyan ay magkakaroon ng angle. Ang angle na yan ang tinatawag nating angle of elevation. Ano naman ang angle of depression? The angle of depression is the angle one has to look down from the horizontal to see something on a lower level. Halimbawa, nandoon ka sa taas ng lighthouse at ikaw ay may nakita na isang boat sa dagat. Ayan. Meron kang horizontal line of sight. Tapos, pag ikaw ay yumuko at nakita mo yung boat, ayan, meron kang line of sight in between the horizontal line and your line of sight, meron diyang angle. Yan yung tinatawag natin na angle of depression. Now, let us solve this problem as an example of angle of elevation. If a girl is standing at point P, which is 10 units away from a building, making an angle of elevation of 40 degrees with point Q, find the height of the building. So, yung height natin is represent natin by letter H. Ayan. Meron tayong distance from point P to that building that is equal to 10 units. So, for our solution, tangent 40 degrees is equal to H, the opposite side of the right triangle formed by this illustration, over the adjacent side of 10 units. So therefore, our height, if we are going to multiply both sides by 10, our height is equal to 10 times tangent 40 degrees. So, to solve for our height, let us use the scientific calculator. So, be sure na naka-degree mode ka. Then 10 tangent 40 degrees. Then equals, it is 8.39099631. So, the final answer, according to our problem, must be rounded to the nearest 100. Kaya, our final answer is 8.39 units, approximately. That is the height of the building. Another example problem, find the value of x in the given figure. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So, the first thing to do here for our solution is find h. Okay? Because this is relevant to what we are looking for. Itong distance na ito. Kasi sabi dyan, find the value of x. So, tangent 30 degrees is equal to opposite h over 27. Ito yan. Ang reference angle or triangle natin dito ay yung malaking triangle. Ayan, yung malaki muna. 30 degrees is equal to opposite h over 27. So therefore, by multiplying both sides by 27, our h is equal to 27 times tangent 30 degrees. So using the scientific calculator, makakuha tayo dyan ng 15.6 feet. Okay? So, rounded off na lang yan sa nearest tenth. Lahat ng ating makukuha sa scientific calculator. Ayan. So, approximately lang yan. Equal to 15.6 feet. Then, gagamitin natin ngayon yan para makuha natin itong value ng x dito. That is tangent 42 degrees is equal to 15.6. Ayan yung height na over x. Ito. X. Tangent, opposite, di ba? Over adjacent. So, meron yung invisible one dito sa baba. Okay? Kaya ako lang yan nilagay to emphasize the alternation property of proportion. Okay? Kung hindi kayo familiar dyan, balikan natin yung ating topic sa ratio and proportion. Merong video lesson dyan. Okay. So, by alternation property of proportion and the cross multiplication property of proportion, magiging x is equal to 15.6 over tangent 42 degrees. Ayan. So, pagpalitin natin yan by alternation property of proportion, tapos, if we multiply 1 to 15.6, kaya ito yan ay 15.6 over tangent 42 degrees. Now, that is approximately equal to 17.3 feet. Ayan. So, using the scientific calculator, ganito yan kung paano natin kukunin. Ayan. So, dito kanina yung 15.6 feet. Ayan. 27, tapos tangent 30 degrees. Ayan. So, that is 15.58. Ang kailangan natin is round your answer to the nearest tenth. Diba? Kaya, ginawa natin 15.6. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa, eto, 15.6, ayan, over, or divided by, 42, tangent 42, ayan, degrees. Ayan. And that is approximately equal to 17.32555523. So, nearest tenth, kaya 17.3 feet lang ang ating nilagay. That is the approximate value of x as it is asked by the problem. Okay? Now, this example is for an angle of depression. So, from the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression to a boat is 38 degrees. Ayan. If the lighthouse is 100 feet tall, how far is the boat from the base of the lighthouse? Round to the nearest feet. Okay, so lagay natin yung mga data na kailangan natin. So, ang angle of depression natin is 38 degrees and ang height ay 100 feet nung lighthouse. So, ayan. Okay, naglagay tayo dito ng isang line which is parallel to the horizontal line of sight doon sa taas. Okay, parallel siya. Then, if you remember, the transversal line o parallel line cut by a transversal line. Diba? Yung lesson natin about the parallel line cut by a transversal line, the alternate interior angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, ayan, 38 degrees din dito ang magiging measurement. by alternate interior angle theorem. Okay? A parallel line cut by a transversal line. So, ayan yan. Okay, so magagamit natin ngayon for our solution if we're going to represent this distance as D, kasi yun yung hinahanap natin dito eh. How far is the boat from the base of the lighthouse? So, gaano sila kalayo? Ayan, mula rito hanggang doon. So, for our solution, tangent 38 degrees is equal to 100 over D. Bakit? Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Ayan. So, D now is equal to, or D tangent 38 degrees is equal to 100. Okay? By cross product property or cross multiplication property. Multiply dito yung 1, invisible 1 times 100 is 100. Then D times tangent 38 degrees is D tangent 38 degrees. Then, let us divide both sides by tangent 38 degrees. Ayan. So, divided by itself, yung tangent 38 degrees, it is equal to 1. So, matira na lang dyan is D. That is approximately equal to, ilan kaya? Tignan natin yung ating calculator. So, using our scientific calculator, ayan, 100 divided by tangent 38, and tangent 38 degrees is equal to 127.994162. So, if we round up to the nearest feet, so magiging 128 feet. That is approximately 128 feet. That is the distance of the boat from the base of the lighthouse, approximately. Okay? Oh, galaw-galaw na tayo dyan. Laging tatandaan, sa math ay hindi maaari na nanonood ka lamang. Upang maging mahusay, dapat lagi kang handa na mag-practice o magsanay.